Okay, welcome once again. By the time others will join, we'll start the session. Okay, so we are meeting after a long time. So let's revise a couple of points and then we'll go ahead with the regular issues. Okay, so we are dealing with the second unit that is basically regarding production planning and control. Right. So in the first unit, we discussed about basic things that are required for production management, like going for selection of a new site. What kind of factors are responsible while you are selecting a site or location, or while you are finalizing the location, and we have seen the reasons for that also. Getting okay, so basically, being an huge investment and immovable property, it requires the perspection from all the views. Okay, so that it is there are so many factors which impact this decision making of site selection. Then we discussed about kind of plants. Okay, and then we started about the thinking of this production planning and control. In that, we have seen the functions of production planning, starting from collecting the materials. The material may be in the form of raw material or semi-finished material. Okay, semi-finished in the sense we discussed about vendor system. Okay, you are aware about that also. Then once you will have the material, you will think for the process. Once you will get the process, you will think for machines and equipments. Okay, once you will finalize the machines and equipment, you will think for the manpower, skilled manpower, non-skilled manpower, all kind of manpower. Okay, once you will done with the manpower, uh, you will start planning for all the operations. Okay, immediately you cannot start. Means at what time you should have the material, at what time the machine should start, at what time the production should go on. Okay, which person should be there on the machine, everything. This planning is made, and then execution will start and the production will start. Once the production will start, there will be a different persons to look after the quality of the production also. Okay, so manufacturing person will be different and quality check person will be different. Once production process is done, then this inspection, quality check, packaging, okay, and delivery. So that kind of all functions are there under this production planning and control part. Second, we have seen this flexible manufacturing system. In this flexible manufacturing system, in short, if I want to tell, many functions you can do at one time, not a one time, but at one station, one location. That's what the meaning of flexible. Okay, flexible means what? In a one shop, just consider a simple example. In one shop, you can go for suppose let's take a simple example, furniture manufacturing, that we are considering from the start. Okay, in the furniture manufacturing, you will polish the wood also, you will cut the wood also, finishing will be there, polishing will be there, coloring will be there. Okay, so then all kind of processes can be done under one shop at one location. Okay, so that is called as a flexibility. Okay, so that way flexible manufacturing system we have seen. And then we discussed about the lean manufacturing also. Okay, uh, so in this lean manufacturing, yes, yes. So in lean manufacturing, we basically focused on the elimination of waste. Okay, याच्यामध्ये आपण काय डिस्कस केलं होतं की 7 types of waste are there. Okay, wastage of time is there, wastage of work is there, everything. Okay, so every parameter comes under the waste. राईट, क्वालिटी इम्प्रूव्ह करण्यासाठी किंवा प्रॉफिट इम्प्रूव्ह करण्यासाठी और प्रॉफिट मार्जिन इन्क्रीज करण्यासाठी दोन ऑप्शन आहेत. ठीक आहे, one thing is that you will have to manufacture the product in least possible cost. म्हणजे काय, इन्व्हेस्टमेंट 10 रुपीजची करताय आणि प्रोडक्टची सेलिंग कॉस्ट 50 रुपीज आहे. ओके, सो युअर नेट प्रॉफिट विल बी 40 रुपीज, मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग कॉस्ट 10 रुपीज, I mean all the investment 10 rupees and selling cost 50 rupees. In that time you will have 40 rupees net profit. Now you want to increase the more profit, or you want to have the more profit. Okay, you can go for one thing, increase the selling price. But if you increase the selling price without any changes, there is a possibility that demand of the product will go down. Okay, काय होईल की समजा अननेसेसरली प्रोडक्ट मध्ये काही चेंज नसताना जर सेलिंग प्राइस इन्क्रीज केली, ओके, डिमांड नसेल तर मार्केटमध्ये, ठीक आहे ना, डिमांड असेल मार्केटमध्ये तर यू कॅन इन्क्रीज द प्राइस. Okay, so in that case market will react against your favor. Okay, so demand will go down. दुसरा ऑप्शन काय आहे की यू विल हॅव टू रिड्यूस डाऊन द इन्व्हेस्टमेंट. ओके, आता प्रत्येक केसमध्ये इन्व्हेस्टमेंट रिड्यूस करणं दॅट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. ओके, ऑलवेज एव्हरीवन इज ट्राइंग टू हॅव मिनिमम इन्व्हेस्टमेंट अँड मॅक्सिमम आउटपुट. प्रत्येक गोष्ट ही ऑप्टिमम केलेली असते. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन इज ट्राय टू मिनिमाइज वेस्ट. Okay, try to minimize waste means what? If suppose if you give your 100% while manufacturing, if you give your 100% means what? Material quality आहे, manpower quality जे आहे. Okay, you are manufacturing within a time, getting it. Okay, so wastage is less. एक 100 प्रोडक्टचा लॉट मॅन्युफॅक्चर केल्यानंतर जर 10च्या ऐवजी एकच वेस्ट निघत असेल, एकच प्रोडक्ट खराब निघत असेल, तर व्हॉट इज गोइंग टू हॅपन? यू विल हॅव 99% efficiency. So ultimately what will happen in this case? Profitability will increase. Okay, so as I told, there are multiple ways to increase the profitability. Out of that, one is the minimization of waste. Okay, so that is there in the under lean manufacturing. Then we discussed briefly about supply chain management. Okay, and you are completely aware about this supply chain management. Okay, how effective it is working. The simple meaning काय झाला supply chain management? In a old days, in a conventional methods, how the process was there? It was there in a 4 walls. आपण 4 भिंतीमधील प्रोसेस म्हणतो. ओके, what is the process? Manufacturer and seller and customer, there is no at all any relation. म्हणजे जो प्रोडक्ट मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग करतोय त्याला हे माहित नाही की आपला कस्टमर कोण आहे. ओके, कस्टमर इज ओनली लिंक्ड टू द सेलर. Okay, so neither customer knows the manufacturer nor manufacturer knows the customer. Okay, that is completely in a conventional day. But nowadays there is a complete chain. Okay, and there is a pull up approach. म्हणजे काय? Customer will tell the demand, means customer will tell that I need this product, this kind of product. That request is then followed by the manufacturer, and accordingly product will be manufactured. Okay, so this is called as a complete chain. Getting it out? In this case, chances of having the losses is very less. Okay, and profitability is more. Okay, so this managing each and every activity, getting material from supplier, then connection of supplier with the manufacturer. Okay, everyone should have linkages. सप्लायरला हे माहित आहे की मॅन्युफॅक्चररची डिमांड काय आहे, त्याची रिक्वायरमेंट काय आहे, कोणत्या क्वालिटीचं मटेरियल रिक्वायरमेंट आहे. ओके, सो सप्लायर अँड मॅन्युफॅक्चरर्स आर इन अ कनेक्शन. मॅन्युफॅक्चरर नोज अबाउट द डिमांड ऑफ सेलर and seller is known about the manufacturing quality. So manufacturer and seller is also connected, and customer is also connected to the seller, to the manufacturer and the supplier. Means what will happen? Whatever is demanded by customer, same will be supplied by the supplier. Means there is a closed loop. Okay, in older days it was an open loop. Okay, so this complete chain is a supply chain. Okay, and now look at carefully. We are starting new point. Every time mostly there is a one question on this point. Maintenance management, very easy to understand, but just get some points, you can easily write the things in detail. Okay, so the next point is maintenance management. Right now, in this maintenance management, before directly going to the point, we have two scenarios. Okay, two situations are there that I'll first of all discuss with you, and then you will understand why there is a need of maintenance management. Okay, प्रत्येक पॉइंट आपण अंडरस्टँड करण्यापूर्वी काय करतोय की the reason behind studying that, why we are studying this point. Okay, what is the importance? So we are understanding the objective of learning that point, and then we are going for the actual learning. Okay, so there are two cases I have mentioned. Second, maybe you will not aware about that, but first you are completely aware about this. Okay, some maybe I think there are some chapters in lower classes, in the sixth or seventh classes. Okay, on this particular case, and might be you have heard about this in newspapers or television sets. Okay, so this is a Bhopal gas tragedy. Okay, just in a short, I'll explain, and then I'll explain the motto. Okay, so what was the Bhopal gas tragedy? Okay, so it was the case of 1984. ओके, हे तुम्ही न्यूजपेपर मध्ये पण कधी ऐकलं असेल. ओके, सो दॅट वॉज अ व्हेरी वेल नोन गॅस ट्रॅजेडी गेटिंग. ओके, and it was happened actually in 1984. Okay, so there was a company, still there are some setup is there in the Bhopal. So Union Carbide Limited, the name of the company was Union Carbide Limited, and the company was basically a chemical manufacturing company. Okay, they were producing the chemicals required for different purpose. Okay, and out of their production there was one of the chemical, that is a methyl isocyanate. Okay, त्यांचं एक प्रोडक्ट काय होतं की मिथाइल आयसोसायनेट. ओके, that was actually a gas, methyl isocyanate. Okay, so that methyl isocyanate is a poisonous gas, विषारी गॅस आहे तो, and it is heavier than air, म्हणजे हवेचं जेवढं वजन असते. ओके, सो दॅट इज गॅस इज हेवियर दॅन एअर. ओके, याच्यामुळे याचं मिनिंग काय झालं की जेव्हा तो एअर मध्ये गॅस फ्लो होईल, आता जनरली ऑक्सिजन आपण बघितला तर तो दॅट इज अ लाइटर दॅन एअर, सो इट इज इन द एअर. ओके, नॉट ॲट द बॉटम. तेच मिथाइल आयसोसायनेट हेवियर असल्यामुळे काय की इट विल स्टे ॲट द बॉटम, म्हणजे ग्राउंड लेवलला तो सॅच्युरेट होईल. सो व्हॉट हॅज हॅपन्ड, there was continuously there was one small leakage in the pipelines, and you know that how care is required to be taken in the chemical plants. Chemical plant मध्ये काय असते की most of the gases are poisonous. Okay, so you will have to take care of the pipings, because every pipings are having so many joints. ओके, तुम्ही शेतामध्ये पण पाहिलं असेल जे पाइपिंग असतात, दॅट इज नॉट अ कंटिन्युअस पाइप्स. Okay, so joints are there and always leakage happens at the joints, hitting it. Okay, so what has happened, so there was a reaction of water and that gas because of the leakage, and that reaction caused a huge temperature and busting of the entire setup. Okay, and because of that, that gas has leaked from the chimneys and pipelines, and as per government record, there were deaths of 3,500, but at actual there were deaths of more than 20,000. Okay, the casualty किती होती की 20,000च्या वर casualty होती. The most of the casualty was with kids, लहान मुले जे असतात. ओके, कारण काय मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं, तो जो गॅस आहे तो हवेपेक्षा जाड आहे. हवेपेक्षा जाड असल्यामुळे तो गॅस काय होतो, हवेमध्ये फ्लो होत नाही. इट विल पास ऑन द ग्राउंड, म्हणजे जमिनीवरून जसं पाणी वाहतं एवढ्या खाली बॉटमला नाही, पण ऍटलिस्ट ऍट द ग्राउंड लेवल, अँड म्हणजे 1-3-4 फूट या हाईट पर्यंत दॅट गॅस वॉज मुव्हिंग वन्स इट वॉज लीक्ड. अँड जे लहान मुलं असतात त्यांची हाईट कमी असते, म्हणजे मोस्ट ऑफ दी अफेक्टेड पर्सन्स वेअर किड्स getting. Okay, so that is a Bhopal gas tragedy, but it was happened just because the authorities have not looked after leakage of the gas, small leakage of the gas. Okay, and the maintenance of joints of pipes. Okay, so that is one first case. And second case, there was a Chernobyl disaster. Okay, so actually this is a nuclear power plant. Chernobyl हा एक आहे न्यूक्लिअर पॉवर प्लांट आहे युक्रेन मध्ये. ओके, सो न्यूक्लिअर पॉवर प्लांट मध्ये पण काय होतं की पॉवर इज produced. Okay, so how it is produced? By using nuclear reaction. So there was also happened the same thing. They have overlooked the one of the leakage, and काय झालं की तिथून न्यूक्लिअर रेडिएशन जे आहे ते तिथून लीक झाले. And you know the impact of nuclear radiation. It will have impact over hundreds of years. म्हणजे एक वेळेस जरी लीक झालं तरी ते इट इज अ जेनेटिक प्रॉब्लेम देन. ओके, सो that was also because of only they have not looked after a small leakage and small maintenance of the tanks. Okay, आता ह्या दोन्ही केस मध्ये कॉमन फॅक्टर काय, that they have not taken care of regular maintenance. Okay, what is the requirement of regular maintenance? Oiling, greasing, cleaning. Okay, नट बोल्ट्स असेल तर ते रेग्युलरली टाईट करणे. ओके, मुव्हिंग पार्ट्स असेल तर त्याला ग्रीजिंग करणे, ऑइलिंग करणे. ओके, so that is the only regular maintenance. But once that part will fail, if you not look after that, it will cause a huge damage. It will cause huge damage. So that maintenance is required. Okay, simple, I'll give you a simple example, right? So तुम्ही टेलिव्हिजन सेट बघितला असेल तर टीव्ही पाहताय तुम्ही. ओके, कधी टीव्ही जर तुम्ही टीव्हीच्या शॉपमध्ये गेलात, मेंटेनन्स शॉपमध्ये, आणि पाठीमागचं कव्हर काढल्यानंतर त्याच्या पाठीमागे चेक करा काय असं टीव्हीमध्ये. ओके, यू विल सी व्हेरी स्मॉल नंबर ऑफ, व्हेरी लेस नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स. एक छोटे छोटे एकदम कमी पार्ट्स असतात, त्याच्यामध्ये काहीच नाहीये. ओके, सिंपल वन मदरबोर्ड अँड कपल ऑफ आयसीज. ओके, स्मॉल पार्ट असतात. Now that small ICs will not cost more than 5 to 6 rupees. टेलिव्हिजन टीव्ही मध्ये जे छोट्या छोट्या आयसी असतात त्याची कॉस्ट किती असते? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स कंपोनंट आहेत, 5 ते 6 रुपये. ओके, आता ते तुमचा टीव्ही खराब झाल्यानंतर जेव्हा ते आयसी रिप्लेस केलं जातं तेव्हा त्याची कॉस्ट तुमच्याकडून 2 ते 3 हजार घेतली जाते. बट ऍक्च्युअली इट इज अ कॉस्टिंग 5 to 6 rupees. ओके, बट वन्स दॅट 5 to 6 rupees आयसी विल स्टॉप वर्किंग. आयसीची किंमत किती आहे? फक्त 5 ते 6 रुपये. But when it will stop working, it will stop the entire television set of costing 50,000. म्हणजे 5 रुपयाची आयसी, 5 रुपयाची जी आयसी आहे, what it is doing, it is stopping the complete operation of product of rupees 50,000. Okay, so check the cost, 5 rupees 5 and rupees 50,000. Okay, look at the difference. That is because of poor maintenance. Getting poor maintenance. If you clean the products properly, regularly, then these things will not be there, right? So this happens only because of this poor maintenance management. Okay, poor maintenance management, and that's what we are going to study now. Okay, what kind of maintenance is there and why it is. See, Howard, this word you can understand easily, maintenance. But what is management? How maintenance can be a management? Okay, management is a like a professional term or technical term. Maintenance is not like that. But what we are going to do, what we are doing, you are aware about the management. Management is having certain principles: planning, scheduling, operating, execution, right? So that kind of principle we are going to apply to this maintenance activity. Okay, so maintenance should not be improper. Improper म्हणजे काय? प्रोडक्ट फेल झाल्यानंतर त्याचा मेंटेनन्स करणे, दॅट इज कॉल्ड द इम्प्रॉपर मेंटेनन्स. वी डोंट वॉन्ट टू गो फॉर दॅट. वी वॉन्ट इट्स प्रॉपर मॅनेजमेंट. वी वॉन्ट इट प्रॉपर शेड्युलिंग, प्लॅनिंग, कंट्रोलिंग एव्हरीथिंग, सो दॅट इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ मेंटेनन्स management. Getting? Okay, so maintenance is the process of keeping machine and equipment in good working condition. It's combination of actions carried out by an organization to replace, repair, service machine components of their groups. Okay, in short, don't read this, I'll tell you. Okay, so what is the maintenance? To keep the things in a working condition. Simple. Whatever the activities are required to keep the things in proper working condition. Okay, proper in the sense, instead of proper we'll say satisfactory working conditions. To keep the things in a satisfactory working mode, whatever activities are required, that comes under the maintenance. Okay, machine असेल, proper working करण्यासाठी काय लागेल? Oiling, greasing, cleaning, that is called as a maintenance. Okay, for example, in your home there is a refrigerator, fridge. Okay, so to keep it properly working, what you are doing? After a week you are removing all the vegetables, all the materials from the fridge, and you are cleaning it thoroughly. Okay, so what is happening? That is called as a maintenance. Getting it? Okay, whatever the equipments you are having, you are cleaning it properly after some period. Okay, so that it will not fail, that it should not fail. Okay, that is called as maintenance. So any activity which will make the things run as like usual, which continue the to operate satisfactorily, that is called as the maintenance. Okay, simple definition to understand. Okay, so what will come under the maintenance? Inspection, repair, overhaul, lubrication, and salvage. Okay, so for example, inspection. Okay, what is inspection? Inspection means what? Regularly checking of इक्विपमेंट असेल तर ते इक्विपमेंट, मशीन असेल तर मशीन, प्रोडक्ट असेल तर तो प्रोडक्ट असेल किंवा सेटअप, वॉट एव्हर इट मे बी. ओके, सो पिरियडिक चेकिंग ऑफ setup or the periodic checking of machine or periodic checking of equipment, that is nothing but the inspection. Okay, now only checking is not sufficient. First thing, okay, only checking is not sufficient. So identifying the loopholes. Okay, suppose for example daily तुमचं काम काय की every morning you will have to suppose in your home. Okay, let's take the usual examples. What you are doing every day in the morning, you are cleaning your refrigerator, you are cleaning your fridge. Okay, so inspection means what? Just opening the fridge. Okay, is that light is working well? No problem. Okay, is there any kind of smell inside the fridge? No. Okay, is the freezer is working well? No problem. Compressor is working well? No problem. Okay, this is called a simple inspection, but that is not a complete activity. Okay, check out the switch, check out the cables, is there any leakage? Getting it? Okay, check out the back panels. Okay, is there any leakage problem or breakdown problem? Okay, check the bulb is working properly by switching once or twice, switching on off. Okay, so checking in that direction, and if any problem you will find, suppose for example पहिल्या वेळेस बल्ब स्विच करताय, स्विच ऑन करताय, चालू झाला, बंद केला, बंद झाला, दुसऱ्या वेळेस केल्यानंतर चालू नाही झाला, बट थर्ड टाइम चालू झाला. ओके, याचं मिनिंग काय झाला? देर इज अ प्रॉब्लेम विथ द सर्किट. Okay, 2 times it is showing okay, but 1 time it is showing failure. What does it mean? Maybe by today or tomorrow or day after tomorrow it is going to fail. Okay, it is showing improper behavior or improper reaction, that means it is going to fail. Getting it? Okay, so identifying that chances of failure and making it correct, that comes under the inspection. Second is repair. Okay, so then process of repairing the component. Just a minute. Just hold on a minute. Okay, so right, so second part is repairing. Okay, what I told, inspection itself is not sufficient. Okay, a loop should be closed. Getting? Okay, so whenever you will identify any kind of failure or any kind of chances of failure, okay, दोन केस आहेत, ऑलरेडी फेल झालेला आहे पार्ट और possibility of failure. Okay, so that you will have to identify and you will have to repair that part. You will have to, in the sense, get it done. Getting it? Okay, if you are able to, you can, or if you not, you can get it done. Then overall. Okay, so this overall is a kind of preventive maintenance. Getting it? Okay, preventive maintenance is for example, see, if you visit any workshop or any small company or any setup, एक छोटंसं ज्या ठिकाणी मशीन्स आहेत, ओके, मुव्हेबल टाइप मशीन्स आहेत, लेथ मशीन्स आहेत, and just visit in the morning when they will open the shop. and look at their activities. What they used to do generally, what they are doing. So they are just regularly lubricating and oiling and cleaning that machine every day without looking after whether it is working or not working. Okay, daily they are doing that things, getting it. Okay, so that is called as a preventive maintenance or overall preventive म्हणजे काय, फेल होण्याची वाट न बघणे, getting it. Okay, so you know the word like prevention is better than cure. Okay, in case of health we usually talk this, prevention is better than cure. Okay, so instead of waiting for failure, let's go for regular maintenance. That comes under the overall. Okay, lubrication, this is one part of this maintenance. Okay, you are completely aware where lubrication is required. Rotating or reciprocating type parts, ज्या ठिकाणी मुव्हेबल पार्ट्स आहेत, मग ते रोटेशन मध्ये असतील किंवा रेसिप्रोकेशन मध्ये असतील. ओके, reciprocation in the sense upward, backward, or up and down, and the rotation is this around some axis. Okay, so why there is lubrication is required in such cases? See, these are continuously in a friction. आता हे सिंपल काय, गिअरची ऍडजस्टमेंट आहे जेव्हा व्हेकल्स मधले, टू व्हीलर्स मधले गिअर्स असतील, या ठिकाणी काय होतं, हे रेग्युलर मोशन असल्यामुळे देर इज अ फ्रिक्शन, ऑलवेज अ फ्रिक्शन. Okay, and if you see this, here is a very close attachment, this green gear and red gear, there is a very close attachment. If lubrication will not be there, if it will become dry, is it possible to rotate this easily? Okay, that's quite difficult. Same thing happens in your rainy days. पावसाळ्यामध्ये तुम्ही चेक करा, तुमच्या टू व्हीलर समजा पाऊस पडून गेला किंवा गाडी भिजली तुमची, टू व्हीलर असेल. ओके, अँड देन चेक द दॅट नॉईज ऑफ दॅट युअर व्हेकल. तुम्ही गाडी स्टार्ट करा आणि थोडंसं पुढे घेऊन जा, ब्रेकचा किंवा ब्रेक ड्रमचा आवाज यायला लागतो लगेच, पावसाळ्यामध्ये होता शक्यतो. वाय इट इज हॅपनिंग? बिकॉज ऑफ दिस मॉइश्चर ऑर रेन, दॅट lubrication विल वॉश आउट. त्या ठिकाणचं lubrication काय होईल, वॉश आउट होईल आणि हा पार्ट ड्राय होतो, त्याच्यामुळे तो आवाज यायला लागतो. ओके, अँड इफ यू नॉट lubricate इट रेग्युलरली, इट इज गोइंग टू फेल. ओके, getting it. Okay, so that's how this lubrication is required for moving parts. Okay, so here also this maintenance is explained. Function of production management, that is concerned with day-to-day problem of keeping physical plant in good operating condition. Simple definition hai, whatever the things are going on to keep it going on, whatever the things going on to keep it going on, whatever the activities required, that is maintenance. Okay, and what is the management of maintenance or maintenance management? Applying the principle, planning, organizing, directing. Okay, you know the principles of management. Applying these principles to management, sorry, maintenance. Okay, म्हणजे काय, मेंटेनन्स प्लान करून मेंटेनन्स हे करणे मीन्स व्हॉट, डेली यू विल हॅव टू go for lubrication, daily you will have to go for greasing. Okay, in every week you will have to open complete machine, clean it, and then assemble that. Okay, this is called as a planning. Okay, so to have this kind of planning, organizing, and directing kind of management for the maintenance, it is called as maintenance management. Okay, now there are certain types of maintenance management. Okay, now listen this carefully because these types are asked in the exam. Okay, so these are some of the types: breakdown, preventive, scheduled, and productive. Just a minute. Just a minute. ओके सॉरी. सो ब्रेकडाऊन, प्रिव्हेंटिव्ह, शेड्युल्ड आणि प्रोडक्टिव्ह. ओके, याच्यावरून तुम्हाला मिनिंग पण लक्षात येईल. ओके, ब्रेकडाऊन मेंटेनन्स. ब्रेकडाऊन मेंटेनन्सचा अर्थ काय झाला? ओके, डोंट रीड द थिंग्स, आय विल एक्सप्लेन इन अ इझी लँग्वेज. ब्रेकडाऊन म्हणजे काय? लेट द प्रोडक्ट गेट फेल्ड फर्स्ट. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, तुमच्या घरामध्ये नाव वी आर नॉट युझिंग, बट सपोज CFL इज देअर. बल्ब आहे, इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब आहे किंवा CFL आहे. when you will replace that when you will replace that before it will stop working or after it will stop working? Okay, you will replace that once it will fail. म्हणजे तो बल्ब जेव्हा जाईल किंवा जो कम्प्लिटली तो स्विच ऑफ होईल, ओके, इट विल फेल, देन ओनली यू विल रिप्लेस दॅट. ओके, इन दॅट केस दिस मेंटेनन्स पार्ट विल नॉट बी देअर. त्याला रेग्युलरली तुम्ही काढून चेक करू शकताय का, त्याला क्लीन करू शकताय, लिब्रिकेशन, ग्रीजिंग, ऑइलिंग, हार्डली मॅक्सिमम काय करू शकता की यू कॅन क्लीन दॅट सो दॅट यू विल हॅव अ प्रॉपर लाइटिंग. कॅन सिम्पली क्लीन विथ द क्लॉथ. Getting it? Okay, more than that you cannot do anything. Okay, and what about the maintenance? When you will replace this, when it will completely fail, तो बल्ब जेव्हा कम्प्लिटली जाईल तेव्हाच तुम्ही त्याला काय करू शकताय? रिप्लेस करू शकताय. ओके, सो this is called as a breakdown maintenance. Means let the product first fail, then we'll replace that, then we'll have maintenance that. Okay, आता हे सगळ्या केस मध्ये असं शक्य नाहीये. Are you getting it? Okay, this is not possible in all cases. For example, let's take an example. Suppose there is a national highway, same bulb example we are taking. There is a national highway or mega highway, express highway. Okay, and at the main location on that national highway, on the main location where there is a huge traffic, suppose there is a one large size CFL or bulb is there, okay, which is lighting that particular area. आता तो बल्ब काय होतंय की मध्येच कधीतरी बंद पडतोय, कधी चालू होतोय. ओके, दिस इज हॅपनिंग समटाइम्स. ओके, स्विच ऑफ, स्विच ऑन. ओके, सो इन दॅट केस विल यू वेट टू स्विच ऑफ इट कम्प्लिटली? म्हणजे तो फेल होण्याची वाट बघाल का तुम्ही? त्याला पूर्ण डिस्टर्ब फेल होऊ द्या, नंतर आपण रिप्लेस करू. ओके, नो. In that case, before failing you will replace that. Why? Because suppose there is a dark night and suddenly it will fail. What will happen? Expressway or mega way vehicles are running with a suppose 100 km per hour, म्हणजे 100च्या स्पीडने व्हेकल्स रन करतायत आणि त्या केसमध्ये अचानक जर ती लाईट स्विच ऑफ झाली, पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ हॅव्हिंग अ large accident, huge accidents, and maybe some casualty also. Okay, so CFL of hardly 500 rupees will cost a life. Getting it? Okay, but that CFL's importance in your home, it is different, and at the street it is different. Getting it? Okay, in the second case जी मी आता केस सांगितली, त्या केसमध्ये what you will do if it is not working properly. Okay, थोडंसं आपण त्याला काय म्हणतो, लाईट blink करणे, blink. Okay, it will blink. Sometimes switch on, switch off, switch on, switch off. In that case, you will not wait to switch off it. You will immediately replace that. Getting it? Okay, so there is a this kind of difference. Okay, so breakdown maintenance is always not desirable. Okay, so for example, there is a machine of rupees 50 lakh rupees, 50 लाखाची एक machine आहे, and there are some, see, there are always some small parts are there in machines, but what happens if a single small part will not work? If a single small part will not work, in that case that 50 lakh rupees machine will stop. Okay, a single small part of rupees 5 will stop a machine of 50 lakh rupees. So there is a problem. Getting it? Okay, so ब्रेकडाऊन मेंटेनन्स कोणत्या ठिकाणी पॉसिबल आहे? ज्या ठिकाणी त्या पार्टचं फेल्युअर यू विल नॉट कॉस्ट मोर. घरामधला बल्ब गेला म्हणजे असं काही जास्त मोठं होणार नाहीये, ठीक आहे ना? ओके, यू कॅन इझिली रिप्लेस दॅट, बट सेम थिंग यू कॅनॉट मॅनेज विथ द स्ट्रीट लाईट. ओके, सो वेअर इट इज फिजिबल टू हॅव द फेल्युअर, वेअर इट इज accepted to have the failure, There only this breakdown maintenance is possible. Okay, getting it? Okay, so breakdown maintenance means let the part first fail, then we will replace that, getting it? That's how it is uh, carried out. Okay, breakdown maintenance, right? So this is what some kind of different picture. Okay, causes of breakdown: failure to replace the worn out part. Okay, समजा रोटेटिंग पार्ट्स आहेत, जसं तुम्हाला मग असे एक्झाम्पल दाखवलं मी गिअरचं. ओके, if you not replace it on time, ओके, इट विल फेल सम टाइम. जसं तुमचा टू व्हीलरचा गिअर बॉक्स आहे, रेग्युलर सारखा तो आवाज करतोय, तुम्ही जर त्याला प्रॉपर लिब्रिकेशन नाही केलं, गिअर चेंज नाही केलं, तर व्हॉट विल हॅपन, सम टाइम यू आर, suppose you are traveling to some out of station and in between the road somewhere it will stop working. Okay, so this is called as a breakdown. Non application of lubricants, neglected cooling system. Okay, neglected cooling system म्हणजे काय? Let's take an example of your two wheeler. Whatever oil you are putting while servicing your two wheeler, whatever तुम्ही जे ऑइल त्याच्यामध्ये भरताय ऑइल टँक मध्ये, इट वर्क्स इन अ टू डिफरंट वे. पहिला काय? ल्युब्रिकेशन. सेकंड काय? कूलिंग. तुमचं जे इंजिन, टू व्हीलरचं जे इंजिन गरम होतं, ते गरम इंजिन कूल करण्याचं काम कोण करते? ऑब्विसली ॲटमॉस्फेरिक एअर ऑल्सो, बट दिस ल्युब्रिकेशन. गिअर बॉक्स गरम होतो, आतले जे रोटेटिंग पार्ट असतात, पिस्टन आहे, सिलेंडर आहे, दॅट विल हॅव अ व्हेरी हाय टेम्परेचर. This cooling is done by that oil lubrication. If it is not working properly, then it will fail down. Okay, carelessness towards minor repairs, छोटा छोटा repair, if you not take care of that, it will break down. Okay, so breakdown maintenance is accepted only in cases where there is a no huge damage, and if it is causing huge damage, you cannot go for breakdown maintenance. Okay, we'll have to go for the preventive maintenance. Okay, preventive maintenance, simple example I will give: sugar factory. Okay, sugar factory, you know. Now, are you aware about that? Sugar factory hardly works for 7 to 8 months or 6 to 8 months. What they are doing in the remaining 3 to 4 months? Okay, you can visit and check. Once sugar cane crushing season will over, क्रशिंगचा जो सीझन असतो तो जेव्हा संपतो, त्यानंतर ते काय करतात? मशीन्स बसून नसतात. ओके, then once the season will over, they will start the maintenance of entire sugar factory. सीझन संपल्यानंतर काय करतात? शुगर फॅक्टरीमध्ये कधी व्हिजिट करा, चेक करा. व्हॉट दे आर डुईंग? दे आर ओपनिंग कम्प्लीट मशीन्स, दे आर ओपनिंग कम्प्लीट पाइपिंग्स. ओके, देन ग्रीजिंग, ल्युब्रिकेटिंग, कुठं पार्ट खराब झाला असेल तो रिप्लेस दॅट. ओके, कुठे ग्रीजिंग आहे, ल्युब्रिकेशन लागतंय, त्या ठिकाणी ल्युब्रिकेशन, ग्रीजिंग, रिप्लेसमेंट, and then assembling that, and then new season will start. So there is a span of around 3 months where there is a maintenance work, complete maintenance work. Okay, this is called as a preventive maintenance. Preventive म्हणजे काय? प्रोसेस चालू नाहीये, प्रोसेस चालू होण्याच्या अगोदर दे आर टेकिंग केअर ऑफ दॅट. वाय? समजा सीझन सुरू झाला आणि जर मेंटेनन्स केलेलं नसेल, चालू सीझन मध्ये एखादी छोटीशी मशीन फेल झाली, it will stop complete operation of sugar factory, and now you think about the loss. ओके, कधी शुगर फॅक्टरीला व्हिजिट केलंय? बाहेर किती व्हेकल्स उभे असतात बाय टेकिंग दी शुगर केन. ओके, that vehicle, so many human power is engaged with the sugar factories. Okay, human resources. So all these things will stop, and obviously it will have some losses. Getting it? Okay, so preventive maintenance is the case where you are going, simply prevention is better than cure. See, to keep your health proper, disease free, what you are doing? What doctor is suggesting? Doctor is suggesting that daily you should have to have some fruits, milks. If you are vegetarian, then; if non-vegetarian, then eggs or whatever it may be. Okay, so what is this? This is not why the doctor is suggesting these things, because once your health will not respond properly, then whatever losses will start, then that losses are not able to recover by the money. Okay, only the thing is that before going or before falling prey to the falling prey to the disease, just take care of yourself by having these fruits or milk and that things. Okay, this is called as a preventive maintenance, simple thing. Okay, म्हणजे एक आजारी पडण्याच्या ऐवजी काय करायचं की हे यू विल हॅव टू टेक केअर ऑफ दिस थिंग्स. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ प्रिव्हेंटिव्ह मेंटेनन्स. ओके, now have you got the meaning of breakdown and preventive? Breakdown means let the part fail first and then we'll replace that. But preventive, before failing it, you will have to what, replace that. Okay, getting it? So simple. Here it is also given, prevention is better than cure. Okay, right. So this is second case, preventive maintenance. Then there is called as a scheduled maintenance. Okay, scheduled maintenance, here this cleaning of tanks, annual shutdown and maintenance of power plants, these things will come. Scheduled maintenance means what? Suppose daily there will be a schedule. For example, whatever I told, जसं तुम्हाला सांगितलं की मशीनचं lubrication असेल, greasing असेल, ज्या मशीन्स डेली मॅक्सिमम यूज केल्या जातात त्या ठिकाणी काय करतात की डेली इन द मॉर्निंग बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द मशीन they are going for oiling, greasing. This is called as a scheduled maintenance. Means by planning something. By planning, it is called as a scheduled maintenance. Sometimes scheduled maintenance and preventive maintenance, in some cases, is considered as a single, common. Okay. Scheduled maintenance. Okay, look here. Some activities are given here. Check oil level. Check the belts. Okay, in case of having the machines or rotating parts. Check tire pressure. Okay, it is showing in case of vehicles. Okay, so check tires, check air. If you have seen the heavy truck drivers, heavy truck driver astat, okay, you will see them on some hotels, etc. Okay, where they will stop mostly. So before leaving or before starting their vehicle on road, can we check if you see what they are doing? Or even on the bus stop, before leaving the bus stop, you just check what the driver is doing. What driver is doing? He will check all the 4 tires, whether air pressure is okay. Okay, he will check the brakes by pushing in and out. Okay, he will check the oil level. Getting it? Okay, and then he will leave the bus stop. Okay, that is called as the maintenance. Okay, preventive maintenance or sometimes scheduled maintenance. And last one is the productive maintenance. Okay, so productive maintenance means what? This is also kind of preventive maintenance only, but it is mostly done in case of critical machines. Okay, critical machines म्हणजे काय की suppose for example large plant is there, मोठा chemicalचा plant आहे आणि त्या ठिकाणी small part is required to replace. Productive means, look here, what kind of example I'll give? Suppose chemical plant, large chemical plant is there, and there is one small part costing around, suppose 1,000 rupees. One small part costing around 1,000 rupees. But importance of that part is such that if that part will fail, entire setup will stop. Okay, not only that machine, what I'm telling, not only that machine, entire plant will stop. Okay, in that case, you will neither go for preventive maintenance, scheduled maintenance, or no any other maintenance, breakdown maintenance. You will go for productive maintenance. Means what? Let it be working or not working or failing or whatever it may be, daily you will replace that part. Meaning, okay, looking to the importance level of that part, daily you will replace that without seeing that how good it is working. Okay, but obviously we'll have to take care of the cost of the part. Okay, instead of 1,000, if it is costing 10,000, you will replace after every 2 days. Okay, but what I want to tell you that instead of waiting for regular maintenance, replace that part, because that 1,000 rupees will cost you a huge loss if you not replace that. Okay, so that in case of critical parts, this productive maintenance is carried out. Okay, only in case of this critical parts. Okay, so there are some advantages of maintenance already. You got the things. Life of machines and equipments will increase. Obviously, daily lubrication, greasing, oiling, cleaning असेल तर काय होईल? Obviously, the machine life is going to increase. Production takes place as per the schedule. What does it mean? Production takes place as per the schedule means क्लिनिंग ल्युब्रिकेशन जर प्रॉपर असेल तर मशीन स्टॉप होणार नाही, प्रोडक्शन स्टॉप होणार नाही. त्याच्यामुळे काय होईल? इट विल वर्क ॲज पर द शेड्यूल बिकॉज देर इज नो डिस्टर्बन्स. Products are delivered to customer in time. Same thing. Okay, if there will be no disturbance, if the things will run as per the schedule, there will be a on time delivery. Machines will be in a good condition, hence quality of the products will be good. Obviously, same simple example, if you will clean your refrigerator daily, if you are clean your freeze daily, what will happen? That vegetables which you have kept inside the fridge will not smell. Simple thing. Okay, that's how getting it. Okay, so if you keep the things clean and properly maintained, quality will be good. Quality of the product which are manufactured from that machine, no production loss, machines is not damaged, and no idle time of main and machine. Means what? If suppose any machine will stop working, what will happen with the worker? He will just look at that machine and will wait for the maintenance person. Okay, but you will have to pay the salary of that person irrespective of he is working or not. Getting it? Okay, so utility will increase, right? So that are the advantages of maintenance. And disadvantages, if you not go or if you will not take care of maintenance, machine will damage, it will have a loss, then quality of product will be improper, wastage of material, wastage of time of labors, and obviously salary or the whatever the invested amount is there on that manpower, that will also waste. Getting it? Okay, accidents, poor maintenance may cause accidents. Okay, examples already we have seen that. Okay, so that's how there are disadvantages and advantages of maintenance. Okay, so what are the things we'll have to keep it in mind? Four kind of maintenance: breakdown, preventive, scheduled, productive. Okay, and definition of maintenance and the maintenance management. Got it? Okay, this is what only I will be asking your exam. Okay, so for the today we'll stop here, and in the next session we'll go for what is the next? Inventory techniques. Okay, so maybe possibly in the next lecture we can close this unit, inventory techniques ABC and VED. Okay, so thank you so much for joining. You can log out the session, and I am uploading the lectures on the data template whatever is shared by your CC. Just you can check there the recorded lectures and the PPT. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a nice day.